All right, my DYNOVOX air filter setup came in for 4th gen Cummins. That cool blue color filter. Yeah, it'll be nice to ditch this factory muffler here. It's kind of a huge restriction pre-turbo, so getting the cold air intake tube with no muffler and restriction there will be nice. Probably worth a slight mile per gallon increase. All right, so for whatever reason, these cold air intakes, they retain the lower elbow, the OEM lower elbow here, so that'll have to be removed. Then that'll go on right here where the flange is. It's got ports for your MAF and I believe intake air. There's your plug for the valve cover vent. I already had that installed. That'll just stay on that elbow. All right, so to clean things up, I just cut that clamp off there so I can stick this plug straight in. That's probably how they designed it to be done. Not sure, but cleans it up. Less excess tubing sitting around. All right, the airbox comes out in 1 second. 13 mil right there. That's it. And then it's snapped in where those grommets are. Pops right out. It's too easy. Here's the factory intake muffler here. As you can see, it's got a nice little ramp for the air, but otherwise in there it's pretty much like a muffler. Definitely a flow restrictor, turbulent air. Get rid of it for sure. All right, just got it all squared up. Got the sensors in there that fit nicely and snug. There's a little bracket that uses one of the factory grommets. And then it uses a little bolt hole. They have a bung on the intake tube just to keep it from going crazy. But nice setup. Nice setup for the price.